Please, good evening. Please, today we are going to talk about dosage calculations. Abusuafo de maame fa twi kakra mfam. Don say your method be bro on my calculate drugs. Ebi ade adru koma patient bi. Ba adru na also de kokoma no. De ewo ho no ebro sa na say endru amount also de man no so. Nti before na be hu the amount also de my patient no. I was so calculate na who said the be an koma na adru man mbro so. And I say bia on man the endru the also de man so. And under pharmacology, we have so many methods and formulas for calculating drugs. But today we are going to use a very simple formula. So for the method is basic formula method. Basic formula method. And the formula is let me write it here. The formula is D over H times V equal to G. But your formula nini. Into which a formula we go to. So G need to know a draw also the my patient no. Atasawa calculate no. Strength of the drug that needs to be given to the patient. So drug to be given to patient. And I D need to know a drona physician and a doctor in a prescriber was a coma patient. So drug prescribed by physician assistant, so P for example, P for short. And H, so H in the student normal a drug label by the strength here. So the H is strength of drug on the drug label or drug in hand. Maybe as if I drew 50 milligrams common patient by drawing a crown, you fancy be 250 milligrams. Into a physician or as a former patient by the a crowd also 250 milligrams into 50 weight in all my D, which is the drug physician and it's a coma patient and a 250 milligrams no so the crowd is CA by what I say into drug in hand, that's the drug the strength of the drug available on the drug label, and the V, so drug in hand. Drug in hand or strength of the drug. But we no so yi why. Say be a screenshot to cry, maybe a be save we ni channel so yi because we are paper. Here examples now what I say more. So the H is drug in hand or strength available on drug label. Into drug label no over a drain box no strength of the drug na e go ho and then I know my H. But what I say and a D no so ma a do a doctor in a catch was a farmer patient no. And a V no so my volume of the drug. Volume of the drug. It is a your question go on my volume. It is one amount of volume. Volume is 1. So I'm for volume now a 1. But just what I say. Very good. It invite me people some examples. Really. So example, we have one, and order is written for 700 of a drug. The drug is supplied or supplied in an example, I say an order. Into the moment now, but say order, not to say D, the order or the physician order. So an order is written for. So the order is written for 700 mg of a drug. Into G is equal to D over H times V. Into you say D no ye. D near say 700 mg. So the drug is available. So what I say. So the drug is available or supplied as a supplier by an strength, 1 grams per 3.5 mils. That is a oche. I'm referring to so oche. So 2 mils in it and a 4. So 3.5 mils between somewhere here. And this is oche 3.5 mils beer like this. So 3.5 mils beer. The volume is 1 grams. And also 700 milligrams. Into H is equal to 1 gram. But what I say? Per 3.5 mils. The mils here is the volume. So V is 3.5. In temperature here we are 1G and we are 700 milligrams. It was converted from grams to milligrams because every demand is in milligrams. Until you ever convert 1 gram to milligrams. So from 1 gram to milligrams is 1G times 1000. So it's 1000 milligrams. Until you say you use way, but you use way. Until you buy the basic formula in man. So now this one is 1000 milligrams. Into what is your formula no man? Your 700 mg over 1000 mg times 3.5 mils. But also what I say? Into we ever cancel we. Then sorry. Zeros mean we be cancel zeros mean we. Now about the cut 7 over 10 times 3.5. It's in particular calculate how the verbal. It is 7 over 10 times. It is about 7 divided by 10 is equal to 0.7. So it be 0.7 times 3.5 equal to into all the times 2.45. So to the nearest whole number be 2.5 mils. But you what I say? Very good.